Hi, welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Cassie and I'm your host. And today I am going to teach you how to change your entire day in just 60 seconds. So those of you who are subscribed to my channel know that I am primarily a craft channel. I do yarny crafts. I like to dye yarn. I like to crochet. Some people say I'm kind of good at it. You guys can be the judge. I do yarn tutorials and stuff like that. But I also have a segment called Wellness Wednesday, and every Wednesday I'm going to be posting videos that have to do with crafting ourselves so that we can be better people. All right? Because we are our own creative project, right? Okay, so today's video is actually not an original concept. This is brought to you by the great Chase Hughes of the Behavior Channel. And I saw this on his Twitter feed, and I just thought that it was such a great idea. And I tried it, and it worked so well that I wanted to share it with you guys. So, are you ready to begin? All right. It's going to just take 60 seconds. Let your shoulders completely fall. Unclench and relax your jaw and face muscles. Put your phone down just for a second and shake out your hands. Move your eyes side to side 5 times. Stick your tongue out with a huge exhale. Take 3 deep breaths into your belly. Yawn and then smile. So, how do you feel? If you feel better now than you did when you first started watching this video, go ahead and tell me in a comment. Does this work for you guys? Because it really works for me. And guess what? Those of you who would like to save this video and come back to it so that you can experience this wonderful state of relaxation in the middle of a busy or a stressful time, go ahead and subscribe. You might want to bookmark it. And go ahead and like the video if this helped you. Really like to get that feedback. Also, those of you who would like to have more content like this, all you need to do is subscribe and turn on those notifications, and you will get a Wellness Wednesday every single week that will hopefully really improve your life. I hope you enjoyed this segment on my channel. I'll be back soon with another video. Bye for now.